You're recording. What? Well,
Look at this.
this is my classmate. This is Alex here. Say hello, Alex. Say hello.
Hello.
They are working with Scat the Cat here. Scat the Cat.
It's Garfield.
They're getting ready to find
Ooh,
all
what's
the
this?
descending aorta. Aorta.
This thing right here, that's the tongue.
Oh, that's
And
awesome.
that,
Okay,
and this
well,
feeds the
what
teeth.
are the other 4 tongues that we have? You know a little bit about the tongue?
This is a tongue, this is a tongue, this is a tongue, this is a tongue.
Wow, we should put this on YouTube. The smartest in it. Look at
And
this.
then, see, this is fat.
I think this is
And this
muscle.
right here, this speaks fur. This speaks fur.
I want to ask the
Fur,
professor
people,
to help
fur.
us
This
out.
is Garfield Jr.
His name?
Scrap, Mr. Scraps Garfield Jr.
This is his name.
His name is Sorry.
Sorry.
Scrappers.
Scrap.
Against Garfield II.
All right.
You remix his name.
I did it.
No.
Okay, well, who's got the scissors? Are we going to get busy?
I don't know because I don't want to just cut it like.
Yeah, I don't want to do it wrong.
I mean, you can already see the intestines inside. Like, look at that.
Okay, get the book lab. Get the lab book.
the lab
Let's
book.
find out where we make the incision.
Yeah.
Where aren't you going to be the surgeon? Aren't you the one who want to be the surgeon?
Yeah, but I don't know what to do.
Okay, how do I make it stop? Here.
Make it stop. The big button. The big one in the middle.